Hello YouTube, AI Resale Nerd here. Today we're going to do a little something different. We're going to show you a little bit more personal level of how I conduct my reselling. Accompanied by Callie, my best little helper in the world. It's a Saturday morning. We got about 29 orders, so let's get this done. We'll see you there. AI is evolving, and so is the hustle. We're not guessing anymore, we're calculating. Okay, welcome back. We're here in our storage unit. This is the toy storage unit. This is where a bulk of our listed items are at. My inventory system is based on shelves. What I'll do is I'll add the shelf onto each listing title so that it'll make it quicker for me to identify. I got this little nerdy iPhone wristband thing that I use, that I bring up a pick list, and that's how I'll pull my orders. I'll pull the orders and the reverse order that they are on the pick list, so that way the first order that I'll be packing will be in the top of the container. I don't know if you guys will understand what I'm talking about, but yeah, it just works out really well when I do it that way. And so what we'll do is we'll pull orders first. Clea is going to help me today and get our boxes prepped, all the bubble wrap, and we'll talk more about why I'm a reseller at 45 years old and why I like this job. All right, you ready? Detailed look at my storage unit. I know it's hard to see from the other POV, but my store right now is kind of small. I used to have 10,000 items, then I scaled down from a warehouse. So now I have about 1,200 listings up. And the maximum I could probably fit into the storage unit, if I get a couple additional shelves, I think I'd be able to squeeze a couple thousand in here, a couple thousand plus, possibly. It's just depending on the size of the items. But for right now, I'm comfortable where I'm at, but I'm getting ready to scale up with the usage of AI. So it's going to be a pretty fun time. All right, we're ready to start pulling our orders. Let's get to it. Got the best helper in the world helping me out today. It's always fun having Callie here to help me. It makes the time go by a lot smoother, and plus she can cut my time in half. We're gonna try to knock this out in less than 1 hour, so we'll see what we can do. All right, you ready to go? Let's go. We got all our items pulled and we're back over at our packing unit. So this is our packing unit that we have. There's this loud ass circuit box in this corner. I don't know what the deal is with that. It's annoying, but I do block it out. I'm so used to it now that I'm just kind of numb to it. But anyways, back to our, this is our packing unit, and I have a little photo station right here when I take photos. And then this is where I keep my boxes. I bought this little cool box shelf off a marketplace a while back, so it comes in handy. And then I got my table set up. And so what we're gonna do next is we're gonna get the boxes ready. Callie's gonna write names on the boxes because I use my pick list system. I just match up the items with the corresponding name on the box, and that way we will ensure that we never ever send the wrong item to the wrong person. It works pretty well. I honestly don't remember the last time I've made a mistake sending the wrong item to the wrong person, so it's pretty efficient. All right. So since I use the pick list method, in regards to like printing out my labels and the way I label the boxes, all the labels are in order of the corresponding boxes. So after I'm done packing, it's just slapping all the labels in order. It's pretty easy. It makes it pretty simplistic. So if I ever have any labels that are out of order, then obviously I'm making some sort of mistake. But you know, once you get it down, it's like second nature. I don't even really think about it anymore. It's pretty easy now. So to address the topic of the video in regards to why I'm 45 years old selling on eBay, I think the main thing is it allows me to have the freedom to do what I need to do. I'm a full-time caregiver for my mom. She had dementia, so it allows me to give her the proper care that she needs, make sure she stays healthy, and make sure that I'm around just in case something happens. You never know. I also have a 12-year-old Frenchie that has horrible arthritis. I'm hoping to squeeze another year out of him, but you know, he's very needy. He can't get around very well at all. So when he needs to go to the bathroom or anything like that, or he needs to get a drink of water, you know, I try to keep his bowl close to him, but you know, cool bark for me to carry him outside. It's pretty sad, but you know, I want to be there for him, especially during this last year of his life. Also, another benefit is my daughter Clea. You know, she gets out of school at 3 every day, so I could be there to pick her up in case she ever has any appointments or anything. She's sick, could be there. If she ever wants me to go see her at school during lunch, so I was take off to go see her. Another reason why I'm a 45-year-old selling on eBay is because it's fun. I sell collectibles. I've been selling for a long time. I've always sold stuff. I am fortunate that I live in the DFW Metroplex where there's a huge population and there's not shortage of sourcing here. So it's fun to me, right? To stay productive, still make a living. And I have the freedom to vacation or do what I want whenever I want. I don't have a boss. Don't get me wrong, with the 9 to 5, you get a steady paycheck. You have job security, depending on what position you're in. With eBay, it could be very unpredictable in regards to how your sales are performing and how you manage your money. So, you know, I respect people that are resellers. I respect people that do it for a living. I respect people that just do it in general. It's not easy at all. I know I've been doing it for a long time. So yeah, today I wanted to share you guys a little more personal side of the business instead of releasing tutorials and guides on how to use AI into your reselling business. That's primarily going to be the direction I'm going to be taking it because I like creating. I'm working on this reselling app, which is pretty cool. I already did a short on it, but I'm going to go more in depth about it in the next video. This is pretty much what I do every day. Source, list, ship, rinse and repeat, right? And now I'm actually doing YouTube content and creating apps to help with the reselling business. Hopefully to help you guys and provide more value to what you guys are doing to buy back time so you guys can either double down on reselling or spend with the family or however else you decide to spend the time. But to all you subscribers, I really appreciate you supporting my channel. It's actually giving me motivation to produce more content and to think out of the box in regards to what apps I want to come out with, what tools I want to create to help out with the eBay business or the reselling business just in general. So thanks so much. And if you can, like, comment, subscribe, support my channel. I will be coming out with some fire content, really fire content, really soon. Thank you for tuning in. AI Resale Nerd out.